Today I will show you how much I made on 13 million views within just 28 days, right? So you may think a lot of money I made on 13 million views within just 28 days, right? Okay, first of all I will show you the haters comments on my videos. Okay, look at this dude. He said you are filming, you are making money. Okay, and let's see the next comment. Making money by this kind of content. Okay, I will show you how much I made. Okay, just wait. Okay, let's go to the next. This dude said, and you are making money with these videos. If you are honest, give him 50% of money made from this video. Oh man, you are joking. If I give him the 50% of this video, maybe the homely slap on me. Okay, look at this dude. Okay, let's go to the next comment. This dude said, for making even more money. Okay, I will show you next. And this dude say, yeah, using homeless people for your video and making them big for money. No man, no, you are negative person. Okay, he said, what I can see, you are making money through him. Nah, you're wrong. Oh, this dude, what a slang language. I think he deserved a report YouTube, right? Let's go to the next comment. Look at this dude. Okay, look at this dude. You probably made 30 times more. Okay, let's go to the next comment. Next hater. When I take some of money you're making off them and try to get them off the street. Okay, I can understand what you mean, but I will show you how much I made. Astaghfirullah. Okay, let's go to the next comment. They actually made money on this video, filming this guy unknowingly. So wrong, these people. How negative they are. You want to make money from YouTube. Again, same negative. And the sad things, 31 people like this comment. Oh, so negative, right? Okay, let's go. I will show you how much I made out of 13 million views in 28 days. Just $14.68. Does it make any sense? What do you think, guys? On 13 million views, I just got $14. Why? Because my video is for education purpose and most of my videos are shorts clips. So you know that short clips don't have earnings from YouTube, right? But there are a lot of negative people commenting on my videos. Oh, this man is making big money out of these videos, right? So that is so wrong. Please guys, please be positive. Don't think negative. And sadly, I raised $7.52 PayPal fund. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.